Hi everyone, Brian at Garden Minutes here. We had a couple of questions come in about the grid system you see in our test garden. This is called our Garden Grid watering system. It's our patented irrigation system and plant spacing guide in one. The couple questions that we got were, what are you using for the squares? That came from Garden Queen. And basically the squares, like I said before, are our Garden Grid watering system. It's a pre-assembled irrigation system and plant spacing guide in one. Basically comes in pre-assembled sections that you pop together by hand and lay in your garden, and it creates a square foot gardening style plant spacing guide and garden watering system that you can adjust to your liking. The next question was from Deja Taurus, I hope I'm saying that correctly. Are these drip irrigation systems? And the answer is no, but the irrigation, or I guess the water flow, is adjustable to your liking from either your hose spigot or the valves that we have here. So if you take a look at this garden grid, I'll adjust the valve to change the water flow rate down to a drip or to a full stream, depending upon what my plants need. And what's nice is that based on how we designed the garden grid is that each of the garden grids are controllable independently. So while I drop this one down to, let's say, a drip, the others can stay at a normal or full stream, moderate stream, or adjusted to exactly how we want this one. So I'll go ahead and adjust this also down to a drip, or open it all the way up to a full stream. And this side doesn't change. It's controlled independently. Then the very last question we had was from Nacho3981. Can sections be turned off? And the short answer is yes. Each individual garden grid can be turned off independently of the other ones. So for instance, if I just want to garden in this bed and in this bed, while this one has no plants in it, I can simply come over, turn the valve, and turn off the water to this garden grid, while the others continue to water the plants we have growing over here. And that's pretty much it. Everything runs off of one water source coming into our garden grid connection manifold, sending water to all three garden grids, while they're all controlled for their water flow independently based on your wants and your plant needs. And that's it. You can check out more information about the garden grid watering system on our website. We'll post the link below this video and in the description on our bio page. And if you have any questions, feel free to add them to the comments below.